What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Clams. On today's episode, we're going to give you Ian Tug Trash's crab spots.
Big secrets.
It is. Just wait.
And if you don't know, that's Ian and Crystal
Hi.
from Tug Trash Outdoors. But we're heading out. He's got his blue crab trap set. You're good. He's got his blue crab trap set, and we're going to haul some crab. So that, actually, I had someone on my channel, I said seagulls, and they said there is no such thing as a seagull.
What?
They are only gulls.
Oh.
There is no such bird as a seagull.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
But
I like to call them beach chickens. I mean, that's...
But that was a good one. What do you call it?
One of my favorite things on YouTube is when someone tells me I can't do something, and I'm like, pretty sure I just did, bud.
So yeah, I'm
They're
calling
seagulls.
them, they're seagulls. They're seagulls, I'm sorry.
These are a roe mullet that we had frozen. I don't know how.
So we're gonna be pulling the traps, pulling the crabs out, and then rebaiting and resetting the traps.
Just wanted to make sure.
Coming up, first trap. What do you guess? 5, 10?
Goose
Ooh.
egg.
What?
One crab?
One?
All right.
All right, this is not
That's
looking
very,
promising.
very concerning.
Very. Do you think somebody... No.
Well,
Good thing those flounders are
that's
small.
no.
All right.
All right,
Okay.
one.
This is
Okay.
scary. One is a start.
Yeah.
Where do you put the traps?
We're gonna put them
We're gonna
right
put
back.
them right
I'm gonna
back
throw
in.
a little bit more.
Take the crab out,
piece of mullet in
and
there.
we'll take the crab out, put another chunk of bait, and give it another soak.
We got one.
He
and-
just got in there too. He wasn't in the top.
And he's only got one claw.
Right. This is not good. Not a good. As a 48-hour soak. I mean, usually we would have about 10 per trap on that. I did just add some mullet I had in the freezer, and we're gonna move them up a little shallower. You'll see that on the next video.
All right, put it here. 11.
All right, second trap up.
Not it.
It's a goose egg.
It was a goose egg. So our numbers aren't looking great right now.
We have one.
We have 7 more traps. I'm like, oh, well, if we catch one per, that's 8 crabs. And then I pulled the second one, there wasn't even one.
So we're
Maybe
hoping
I
for
need
half
to
a
pull
dozen.
The next one.
All
All right, yep. Guys, you don't want these numbers. I was gonna give you the numbers. You don't want them. You don't want them.
Never mind.
Oh!
Oh,
I told you the
lucky
purple
one?
traps, babe. The purple traps are my favorites.
Who's the lucky one?
Wishard wire traps. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh, they're fighting each other too.
That's what a crab trap's supposed to look like
Yeah.
out here on the river.
Yep. And really, I mean, I'm picking them anyways, so even though they're like medium-ish, it doesn't matter.
And then throw this mullet in there.
Let me close it first.
I think they need to be deeper. Those
How
shallow
deep
traps.
is this one?
38 feet.
Liar.
That one's a little rusty.
Oh look, he got his friend's arm.
They're mean to each other.
So this is a male blue crab, and you can tell by the bib there is like the Washington Monument. A female will be rounded out. There's our blue crab.
Do we have any females in there yet?
I don't think so. Yeah, no females yet. But here in Florida, you can keep males and females. There's no size regulation, but you try to shoot for a 5-inch crab because picking a 4-inch crab is not that fun. Up in New York, we're 4.5 on the regulation, and those 4.5 crabs, it's not worth your time and effort at all.
Positive.
The screen, oh, I just got glasses
Just
on.
dark and
All
you
right.
got your glasses on.
What you got there, crab pot? This is a purple one, so I got high hopes. Oh, I see 2. I see 3. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good
there's a
size
jumbo.
one.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
I like the
And look,
purple
they ate
dots.
almost all of the chicken, babe.
Yeah. They like the purple.
I need, these are Wishard wire traps. You know, if you're one of Will's fans, Wishard wire. Harold's a buddy of mine, Wishard.
10 feet. What'd I say? Shallower.
No, it's the air. It's these are the ones that I said. All right, I'm taking over Will's channel right now, though.
Tug trash takeover.
Will's like, quit talking.
Yeah, keep talking. Are you kidding? It'll take.
Don't lose any. Pressure's on.
Oh, that chicken does stink, huh?
Right?
The first 2, the chicken didn't even stink.
Weird.
There we go.
Maybe that's part of why. I don't know.
That guy's all tucked up in there.
Risking my life.
I know. There he goes. Come on. Shake, shake.
I think those guys want to go back.
That rebar really.
Look, he's regrowing. This one right here is regrowing another
Oh, yeah.
claw. That's pretty cool.
Go the next one.
Just shake them.
This is what I was expecting.
There you go. I think the first 2 were just in a bad spot.
Maybe.
There we go.
All right. Little mullet.
Look at that yellow stuff inside.
That's the roe.
Everybody wants to eat that.
All right.
You can go ahead, just go right back down.
Just make sure it's closed. Don't pull it in.
And are you throwing? Oh, the
Rebar down.
Gotcha. That would make sense,
Sweet.
wouldn't it?
Having crabs. Having crabs.
Harold made those purple and pink special for me.
They were for me.
They're good. Yeah, they're definitely for Crystal. But they historically catch really good.
Obviously.
Crab. Look at you.
So, yellow trap, not quite like the pink and purple. Wondering, the real test will be when we do the next pull, if the purple and pink are outperforming these ones.
I'm just YouTubers in the wild over here.
Look at all the little teeny things.
Did you get a piece of mullet?
I did.
Okay.
It's down there. Yes, you're there.
All right.
That's you.
Now this is a purple one, so I got high hopes.
All right, while Ian's pulling that one up, I just want to say, whether you're on Team Steam or Team Boil, whatever side of the fence you're on, you should always ice down the crab before you cook them, because if you throw them in the pot, they'll get distressed and they eject their claws. So if you've ever cooked a crab and then noticed all the claws are in the bottom, oh, what do you got? Oh, okay, all right.
It's 10 feet of water here.
It's not great, but it's not.
I mean, so it is funny coming down from New York, because in New York, this would be one of the best days. That would be fantastic crabbing over on the Babylon docks.
With the few traps, like honestly, we should be able to fill this basket up halfway.
That's
when
wild.
It's good. But it's a little early. The water's still a little cool. Just very strange. Maybe it isn't the color. I don't. Look at the mullet. That's a boy mullet.
Yeah, that's milk. What do you got? 2 more?
Dos más.
2 more. All right, 2 more.
All right. This is a shallow experimental. One, 2, 3.
Okay. They got some good size, no?
You know what's very strange is all the ones that were up here close to the bank, the chickens like almost not touched.
Yeah.
But the ones that were out a little deeper is just like gone. And I'm wondering if that's not actually like these little like shrimps and stuff eating the chicken.
Oh, I gotta
Flip it upside down all the way
Yeah.
to get them into the condo.
Oh, I see.
Go up.
There you go.
I don't know if this guy too small or no.
We'll use them for bait
We'll
tomorrow.
use them for bait tomorrow. Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
Boom.
All
You want a mullet?
Yeah, let me grab a piece of mullet. Maybe they just want mullet. I don't know.
We'll find out.
Same spot, ready to go?
Yeah,
we
we're
can
good.
put it here. And the last one we put.
All right.
Come on, we need like 5 or 6 in this one. Oh, not looking good.
1, 2, 3 little ones.
3 little ones. Dang. Well, back to the ramp, I suppose, but we still got enough. I mean,
We have plenty
we got 2 dozen crabs down in there.
for stuffing a flounder.
We will make it work.
So now you're getting the perspective of 2 different channels and 2 different people, where Ian does this all the time, and to him it's like, yeah, not such a good pull, wasn't that great. To me, I'm like, this is amazing. That is a whole mess of crab.
Like 2 stragglers.
Uh-oh, we got a runner. He's almost gone.
Come on.
You would not want to stick your hand in there.
I double dog dare you. You can't turn down a double dog dare.
You know that I'm not.
Ooh, you had your boot.
Good thing I have my boots on.
Get those things iced down for the ride home. So I went ahead.
And you're saving small ones for bait.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got like at least 2 dozen crabs. We're gonna go ahead and clean them up, steam them, and pick them.
I can just throw them in a Ziploc bag. Don't waste that bucket.
I wonder if I could save all the heads and like throw them black drum with them.
These all look a little bit small. I'm gonna grab bigger ones.
Okay.
Hey man, you're doing that wrong.
Leave him alone.
Uh-oh.
He's waking up.
That guy's coming back to life.
Seven, 8. That's 8 crabs. Those are.
I would. Can't hurt.
Towels. I need to let them cool a minute before I try to touch them.
Yep.
On paper plate, that's what I want. Oh, I'm gonna wait and like, but no, like look at that. It's just effortlessly coming out of the shells. Just, I'm not even taking a bite. I'm not even looking at it. Yeah.
That's a pretty
This
good.
is just body meat. That's not claws. He's got the claw meat.
That's a pretty good haul.
Yeah.
For
That's-
what we had?
Yeah, and this isn't even everything. You kept the ones for bait.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty good.
Great little meal.
It's gonna be a delicious. I only do this about once a year. We've probably been picking for 45 minutes. I'm sure there's really fast people, but not us.
So we did 2 videos. We did a flounder gigging video, and we went to clear the traps. I'm dividing mine into 2. Ian's combining his crab with the flounder, and he's stuffing the flounder. So when he does his cook, I'll show you some of that. But to see the end and the cook and the completed dish, you got to head over to his channel.
Tug Trash Outdoors. Just like that.
Okay.
That's one side. I want to try to get as much in there as I can, but we've also got some mushrooms that we're going to stuff if it looks like we're going to have extra here. So just kind of gently push that down into the pocket. So
you're stuffing the mushroom.
the bonus stuffing will go in some mushrooms.
Oh yeah.
Just like that. And I'm actually not done with that flounder. Hold on.
You're not.
Oh, here's looking at you, flounder.
All right, guys. There is the crab stuffed flounder. This is another flounder, but you're going to have to go back to our gigging episode to see that one. But check this out as well. We got
The mushrooms.
crab stuffed mushrooms as well. You're going to tune into Tug Trash Outdoors to see all that stuff. But I'm going to sign off and say goodbye and say thank you to Ian and Crystal for having me.
Always a pleasure.
And
Anytime.
I'm still invited, so it means I didn't do anything too bad. But yeah, check out Ian's channel. I'm sure you guys will. But he did the gigging and the crabbing all together, and we have a lot of crab here. And right now, we're gonna dig into pretty much everything. We've been eating good all day, so.
This meal right here, there's not a restaurant in St. Augustine that would top what we're about to eat. I can
Definitely
promise
not.
you that.
Well, all right, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.
Yeah.
I know I signed off on you guys, but I just want to show you one of the crab stuffed mushrooms. Yeah, you wouldn't like those. You should probably leave them.
I just shoved one in my mouth.
These are worth the pulls.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, now I'm really going to say goodbye. I'll see you guys on the next one.